Now, are you going to be super? What are you going to Okay, hold on to the rail and go down the stairs. Step this foot down. Come on. I'm not going to let go of you. You're going to be Superman. Okay. We're going to sit on this couch right here.
Let's watch a dinosaur game.
It's a my couch.
That's not your couch. Yeah, Tessie, this needs to move.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm holding you here. Tessie, move the ottoman, please.
Oh.
It hurts? Okay, that's because you're being too lively. You need to sit down. Not lay, not flop. There you go.
How was it?
Are you comfortable? You don't want the fan on you? Okay. That's good, that's good. Okay, that's what you need to do for half an hour. He's coming. He's gonna, let's see what time is it. He'll be getting off work in about 10 minutes and coming over. What's the matter? Okay, well, after the gauze comes out, we can get you a drink of water.
Okay.